Hi, 7th grade. Okay, how to complete this assignment. Finding missing angles. It's use your resources to help you solve for A. Okay, finding missing angles, open up your Google Doc. All right, so they're giving us a lot of information just in one problem. So we're determining the value of A in each question. So if I see, and look at this first problem, I see they're giving me this big arc. Both these two angles together add up to this bigger arc, and they tell me it's 88 degrees. And I look at this little arc down here, they're telling me it's 58, and then this other little arc is going to be A. Okay, that's what we're looking for is A. So I know I've got the big angles, 88, and 58 plus A is going to get me to 88, so I'm going to subtract the 58 to determine what A is. Now, let me look at problem 2. Now, they give me the big overall angle is A, so, and they give me the small one angle is 36 and the other angle is 125. So how can I find A? I'm going to have to add those two together. Okay, number 3. It's very similar to number 2 where they give me two smaller angles and I need to determine what they are together as A. So I'm going to do 62 plus 86 equals. And then you can just plug this right in your calculator to get your answer. Number 4. Okay, so now this one's similar to number 1, where they give me the big angle, and they give me one of the smaller angles, and I need to determine the other smaller angle. Okay, so I have my 98 minus 64 equals. Okay, number 5. Okay, same thing again, where they give me the big angle of the two angles together, and they give me one of the smaller angles, and I need to find out the other one, A. So now I've got 111 minus 78, backwards, 78 equals. Number 6, same thing. I need to find out what A is. So I'm going to take that 120 minus the 89 equals. Number 7, same thing. I'm going to have my 133 minus 36 equals. Number 8, same thing again. They gave me the big angle and one of the small angles. I need to find out one of the other smaller angles. So take my 114 minus the 51. What will that equal? Number 9. They give me the bigger angle and one of the smaller angles. I need to find A. 95 minus 36 equals, okay, number 10. Give me 135 is the big angle. 43 is one of the smaller angles. I need to find out what A is. So take my 135 minus 43 equals. Okay, so if you need any further help with this, you can always come to office hours at 2 p.m., but I think it's pretty straightforward from here. And best of luck.